Hi everyone, it's Miss Sam from the Levittown Public Library, and I hope you enjoyed our story yesterday, Duck for President by Doreen Cronin. And today we're going to do a really fun craft that goes along with our story. We're going to be making some voting badges, so little badges that say I voted. So the very first thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to need to collect all of our materials. So the very first thing we need is some paper. If you have a thicker paper like cardstock or cardboard or even construction paper, those are going to be a little easier to work with. If not, plain paper is fine as well. Also, if you have a cupcake liner, that would be fun. If not, then you can just use another piece of paper as well. You're also going to need some ribbon, some red, white, or blue ribbon, or if you don't have ribbon, if you have string or streamers or crepe paper, those are all things that you can use as well. And also, if you don't have any of that, you can also use just a piece of paper and color it and just make some strips. That'll work as well. Then you're also going to need some things to stick everything together. So if you have glue, a glue stick, or tape, you can also use a stapler if you have that as well. And then if you want to have your badge be able to stick to your shirt, you're going to need some double-sided tape, or if you're working with a parent, then you can use a safety pin as well. Okay, so once we have all of our materials collected, we're going to start with our cupcake liner. So the very first thing we're going to do is you can either use a cupcake liner that's already decorated, or you can use one that is white and then you can decorate it yourself. So that's up to you. So I'm going to use this one. And the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to flatten it out as much as we possibly can so that it looks like a perfect circle, just like that. Then the second thing we're going to do is we're going to decorate the I voted badge part of it now. So if you would like, we've attached a template to this video that you can print out. You can just color one of these and then cut it out and use that for your badge. If you don't want to have a printer or you don't want to use that, you want to make your very own design, that's great too. So you would just cut out a circle out of paper and then you can decorate it any way that you want. So I just wrote I voted on mine, and then I made some I colored it with a red crayon. And then once you have that, you're gonna take your glue stick or your tape or anything that you have to stick, and you're just gonna stick the one circle right in the middle of your cupcake liner. So that's gonna be the base of our badge. Then you're gonna take whatever ribbon or decorations that you have. So like here, I had some red, little bit of a thicker kind of like felty paper that I made into strips. And then you're just gonna attach those to the bottom just like that. So you're just gonna use, again, glue or tape or whatever you have to stick with. Then, if you would like to have it so that it sticks to you, sticks to your shirt, I had some double-sided sticky, like little felt pieces, so you can use 2 pieces of double-sided tape, or if you have a parent helping you, you're going to glue a safety pin to the back, and then you can just stick your badge to your shirt, just like that. You can send pictures of your creations to childrens@levittownpl.org, and we'll share them on our social media. We can't wait to see what you make. Happy crafting!